Welcome back to the Finance Shark. In this video, we're going to tell you about 8 personality traits needed for success in real estate. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Being a landlord has its ups and downs, but is generally quite rewarding. After all, you're providing tenants with the most basic of human needs, shelter. Being a good landlord is crucial when it comes to renting out your property. You'll retain long-term tenants, attract better occupants, have a steady income stream, and build a strong tenant-landlord relationship. In order to become a good landlord, there are several key qualities that you must possess. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 8. Honest and works with integrity. Tenants always look for a landlord they can trust, someone who has proven they work with integrity and are honest. A landlord should strive to be transparent with their tenants. There should be nothing that a landlord hides from their tenant or is less than truthful about. Number 7. Amazing organization skills. Great landlords keep track of everything: receipts, documentation, quotes, move-in and out walkthrough evidence, important notes, and more. If paying attention to detail is not one of your strong suits, then we may suggest you hire a property management company that will scrutinize every detail of your business. Number 6. Strong communication skills. Whether it's being clear on when the rent is due or resolving an issue with a tenant, effective communication is key. A good landlord should keep the lines of communication open to maintain a harmonious relationship with their tenants. Number 5. Ability to prioritize. How do you decide what to prioritize next? While it varies case by case, most successful landlords prioritize actions that realize immediate gains or that put them in a better position for the future. Number 4. Ready to act. Having the ability to fix small repairs on the property is a plus. For every landlord that can fix a leaking faucet, there are 2 that cannot. If you are not handy, you need to have a Rolodex of people that are. Everything from maintenance of the furnace to removing snow from the driveway needs to be done from time to time. Good landlords are always building their contact list and have 2 or 3 people they can call on at any time. Number 3. Fair and flexible landlord. The landlord-tenant relationship is a professional relationship. This means that there need to be boundaries in place and expectations clearly communicated so that everybody is on the same page. A strong landlord understands that life happens and should offer flexibility and compassion when things don't go according to plan. A professional landlord will take each situation on a case-by-case basis and strive to be fair and flexible to maintain a professional relationship. Number 2. Professional. A good landlord stays professional at all times. This includes understanding and respecting your tenants' boundaries and giving them the privacy and space that they need. Being professional comes in handy in the event of a tenant complaint or disagreement. A good landlord knows how to handle issues in a reasonable, calm, and objective manner. Number 1. Respect. Even when you are dealing with a rude or disgruntled tenant, it's essential that you maintain your composure to foster a positive environment. A respectful relationship brings everyone to the same level of calm and understanding, even if it's one-sided at first. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.